print-on-demand business creating and selling custom merchandise. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of print-on-demand business creating and selling custom merchandise. Print-on-demand is a business model where products are only manufactured once an order is received, allowing for customization and reducing inventory costs. This model is popular for creating and selling custom merchandise, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Before we dive into our video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us create more great content. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Number 10. Low initial investment. Starting a print-on-demand business is appealing to entrepreneurs with limited capital because it requires minimal upfront costs. Unlike traditional businesses that need inventory and production equipment, a POD business only prints items when an order is placed. This eliminates the need for inventory management and reduces the initial investment. Entrepreneurs can focus on designing and marketing their products without the financial burden of stocking up on inventory. This accessibility makes POD a popular choice for individuals looking to start an online business with lower financial risks. Additionally, it provides the flexibility to easily test new products and designs. This accessibility makes POD a popular choice for individuals looking to start an online business with lower financial risks. Number 9. Product customization. Print-on-demand offers a diverse array of customizable products, making it a versatile option for entrepreneurs. Customers can personalize items such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more with their own designs, photos, or text. This level of customization allows for the creation of unique and personalized products that resonate with individual tastes and preferences. Additionally, the ability to offer a wide range of customizable products helps attract a broader audience and increases the likelihood of generating sales. Overall, the flexibility and personalization options of POD make it a compelling choice for both businesses. Number 8. Wide range of products. Print-on-demand POD services provide a diverse range of products for customization, spanning apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. This variety enables businesses to cater to a wide range of customer preferences and target different markets effectively. For instance, offering apparel like t-shirts and hoodies appeals to fashion-conscious consumers, while customizable home decor items such as posters and canvas prints attract those interested in interior design. Additionally, the ability to offer a variety of products allows businesses to expand their product offerings over time, keeping their offerings fresh and appealing to a broader customer base. Number 7. Known inventory management. Print-on-demand businesses benefit from a unique advantage. They don't need to manage inventory or worry about overstocked items. Products are printed and shipped only when an order is placed, eliminating the risk of unsold inventory and associated costs. This on-demand production model allows businesses to offer a wide range of products without the financial burden of stocking up on inventory. It also reduces the need for storage space, making it a cost-effective and efficient option for entrepreneurs. The POD model minimizes the risks typically associated with inventory management, making it an attractive option for those looking to start a retail business. Number 6. Global reach. Print-on-demand services commonly offer international shipping options, enabling businesses to reach customers worldwide. This global reach is a significant advantage, as it allows entrepreneurs to expand their customer base beyond their local market. By offering international shipping, businesses can tap into new markets and potentially increase their revenue significantly. Moreover, selling internationally can help diversify revenue streams and reduce dependence on any single market. Number 5. Minimal risk. One of the key advantages of a print-on-demand business is the ability to test different designs and products without the risk of large upfront investments. Since products are only produced when an order is placed, there is no need to invest in inventory or production costs up front. This allows entrepreneurs to experiment with various designs, themes, and products to see what resonates with their audience. If a particular design or product doesn't sell well, entrepreneurs can easily pivot to other designs or items without incurring significant losses. This flexibility allows for quick adjustments based on market feedback and trends, helping businesses stay agile and competitive. Overall, the low-risk nature of POD makes it an attractive option for testing new ideas. Number 4. Easy to get started. Setting up a print-on-demand store has become increasingly simple thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Printful. These platforms offer seamless integrations with POD services, streamlining the process of launching your store. They handle the technical aspects, such as order processing, printing, and shipping, allowing you to concentrate on designing and marketing your products. With user-friendly interfaces and robust support, these platforms make it easy for entrepreneurs to create a professional-looking online store without the need for extensive technical knowledge. This accessibility has democratized the POD business model, enabling individuals with creative ideas to turn them into successful online businesses with relative ease. Number 3. Scalability. Print-on-demand offers scalability as your business grows. Unlike traditional business models that require additional infrastructure and resources to expand, POD allows you to scale your operations without significant upfront investments. As your customer base increases, you can easily expand your product range to cater to different preferences and trends. Since products are printed on demand, you don't need to worry about stocking up on inventory or investing in production equipment. This flexibility enables you to adapt to changing market demands and reach more customers without the constraints of traditional inventory management. Number 2. Brand building. Creating custom merchandise through print-on-demand can be a powerful tool for building your brand identity and engaging with your audience. By offering unique branded products, you can differentiate your business from competitors and create a memorable impression on customers. Custom merchandise allows you to showcase your brand's personality and values, helping to foster a deeper connection with your audience. Additionally, branded products can serve as effective marketing tools as customers who wear or use your merchandise become walking advertisements for your brand. Number 1. Creative freedom. Print-on-demand offers entrepreneurs the freedom to express their creativity and design products that resonate with their target audience. Unlike traditional retail models, which often require large upfront investments in inventory, POD allows you to experiment with different designs, themes, and trends without financial risk. This flexibility enables you to stay ahead of market trends and respond quickly to customer preferences. You can test new ideas and iterate on designs based on real-time feedback, helping you refine your product offerings and build a loyal customer base. Overall, starting a print-on-demand business for creating and selling custom merchandise offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for entrepreneurs. With its low barrier to entry, customizable products, and global reach, POD can be a lucrative venture for those willing to put in the effort to design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on print-on-demand business, creating and selling custom merchandise.